Tintern Abbey.
Tintern Abbey, one of William Wordsworth's most celebrated poems, is an ode to the beauty and power of nature. The poem reflects the nature in Wordsworth's own experiences and explores themes of memory, imagination, and the transformative power of nature. The poem begins with Wordsworth revisiting Tintern Abbey after a 5-year absence, as he gazes upon the natural beauty surrounding him. He reflects on how this landscape has changed over time.
Line-by-line explanation and analysis video link is given in description down below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.